Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Gadgets. Today we're going to review the brand new HAYLOU GST smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials it is made of, what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately with the new HAYLOU GST. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. As you can see in the box we have the watch, and you can see it's a really beautiful watch. Simplicity is the essence. It is what HAYLOU describes the GST. It is light design, having 42 grams with a simple, lightweight design. The wearable has a rectangular body with a single physical button on the side. It is a compact smartwatch that has an IP68 dust-proof body, as well as waterproof. The sleek display is accompanied by a skin-friendly silicone strap that is comfortable to wear. Underneath we have the manual that shows us how to use it, where you can see all the information you want for the watch. Next is the magnetic charging cable to charge our watch, which can take about 2 hours to fully charge, and the battery, which has a capacity of 220 mAh, can last up to 9 days for normal use, or 20 days on standby. Now here is the watch, and as you can see it has the TPU black straps, which are really great, with adjustable length from 150 to 215 millimeters, and you can get it in different colors like. It is 245 millimeters in length, 45.1 millimeters width, 11.5 millimeters thickness, with a very durable glass, and it weighs at around 50 grams including the strap. The HAYLOU GST smartwatch has a full-color screen with full touch support. It has a 1.69-inch TFT LCD screen with a 240x280 pixel resolution. And on top of that is a 2.5D tempered glass screen. It runs the RTL 8762C processor with G sensor, heart rate monitoring, as well as blood oxygen monitor. The smartwatch has Bluetooth 5.0 that is compatible with Android 6.0 and above, iOS 11.0 and above platform. So now let's go inside and see what options and apps we have here. If you swipe down, we have options like brightness, date, do not disturb and settings. If you swipe left or right, we can see some of the widgets we have set up, like steps, which monitors your steps, calories burnt and distance traveled, heart rate, where you can monitor and see your statistics on your heart rate and also measure it if you want, SpO2, sleep to look at our sleep statistics, and breathe to look at our breathing statistics. If you swipe up, it will show you the home screen with all the apps inside, which right now are on a list view, like steps, heart rate, and SpO2, where you can monitor your statistics and also measure it if you want. Next up we've got sport, which this watch supports 12 sport modes like outdoor running, cycling, walking, football, basketball, yoga, and many more. Next, we got an exercise record, where it tracks all our exercises done, calories burnt and distance traveled. Then we have weather, where you can program your city with GPS. We also have sleep, which helps you establish a regular bedtime routine and keeps track of your sleep trends night after night. Next, we've got notice that shows our notifications, which for the moment we don't have any. Then music control to play anything you want from your phone. After that we have more, where we have more apps like stopwatch, countdown, find phone and breath training. Then on the bottom we've got settings, where we have options like watch face, which will show us all of the faces you can choose from to change it, and you can change it in an instant by choosing it, and as you can see, we've got a large number of them to choose from. We've got brightness to leave whatever brightness we see fit on 5 different levels, the About option, Shutdown, and Reset option. Now what we're going to do is put on the watch and test some of the measurement options for ourselves. First up, let's go to the heart rate monitor, which constantly will measure your heart rate and can show you your previous and average heart rate. It will take a bit, then it will show us our heart rate. Next, let's try the SpO2 measurement and measure our O2 levels. This also takes some time, and it shows your current state of O2 levels, and also shows your previous and average O2 levels. It will also show you your heart BPM, or beats per minute. So, this is pretty much it for the watch. I really enjoyed reviewing this model, and it's a really great watch, so I really liked it. It's really easy to use, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps does it use, and what options do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.